Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Optfine 1.19 on your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download and install the Minecraft Optfine 1.19, a mod that lets you add upgraded texture to your game, making it fluent and smoother, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser and in the search box type in www.optfine.net/downloads and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this link. Click on the show all versions over here and go and look for Minecraft 1.19 and click the download link. Now, on the next page, click the download button again and you'll be able to see it downloaded at the top right. Once the download is completed, click on Open File, follow through the on-screen prompt and install it on your computer. That is how you'll be able to download Minecraft's Optfine 1.19 mod. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.